Hello and welcome my very dear CMA Inter students. This is CMA Shiksha Singh from Akash Agarwal classes, and we are here to discuss your ABC analysis for your paper number 5, which is Business Laws and Ethics. So Business Laws and Ethics is your first paper in your inter examination. So what all do you have in your syllabus? Let's see. First is Commercial Law, in which you get ICA, SOGA, NI, IPA, LLP. Then second is Company Law. Then third is Industrial Law. Industrial Law, you have 5 acts. Which 5? Factories, gratuity, EPF, factories, gratuity, EPF, ESI, and code on wages. Then there is another section known as ethics. So this is your complete syllabus. This is your complete syllabus and it is vast. It is too much vast for you to complete in 3 to 4 months. So, ma'am, if I want to pass in my exam, what chapters do I need to do compulsorily? Can you please give me a priority order? Because I don't understand what to learn first, what to study first, what to take first, and what not to study, what to study. I'm just jumbled in all the whole syllabus. The syllabus is not getting complete only. So, here's the ultimate solution. The ultimate solution. What you do, there's a priority order I tell my students. And this priority order is based on facts, okay? I have analyzed the question papers of past 6 to 7 attempts, and then I am telling you this priority order, and this is completely based on facts. I am not talking rubbish. So this is completely based on facts. First priority you should give to is labor law, which is your industrial law. All those 5 acts, because it comes for compulsory. It comes for compulsory 14 marks. Straightforward questions, 14 marks compulsory every attempt. And these questions are not going to be some surprise questions. These are those questions only which you are going to learn at home, and then same to same answers you have to go and write in your exam. There are not going to be any surprise bombs there. So learn these as it is, and you have to just mug up things and write the answers. So it is the most easiest marks to score. The most easiest 14 marks to score. Then your second priority should be ethics. Why ethics? Why ethics? Because ethics comes for 14 marks alone. Ethics comes for 14 marks alone. It is a small chapter. It is a very small chapter. It is a very common sense chapter, and it is a very small chapter and very easy chapter. You just go and read the content once. Do not make presumptions about the chapters and it is boring, it is that, it is this, it is that. Please do not make any presumptions and just read the content. It is very easy chapter. If you read once now, you understand. For this, if I am getting 14 marks, it is a blessing given by God. The third priority should be given to 2 chapters from company law. 2 chapters from company law. Which 2 chapters? 2 chapters which should be given priority are director and auditor. These 2 alone chapters come for minimum 14 marks and maximum 21 marks. Sometimes it goes for 28 also, but I am taking the usual way. So 14 marks is minimum, it comes only. 14 marks is compulsory, it is going to come. Every attempt compulsory 14 marks comes from the orator and director chapter. These are two small chapters, very easy chapters. You just read them. What the special thing is about all these three is these are easy chapters, these are easy to learn, and these are small easy chapters which can get you lot of marks in your inter examination. If you do these three for sure, if you do these three, see how many marks? 14 plus 14 plus 14. This goes for 42 marks. 42 marks already you can get by doing just these three. So you have already passed. Then what comes after these three, which you should do compulsorily, comes the next section which goes for commercial law. Next you should do commercial law. Commercial law, there is a combination of other chapters between ICA, SOGA, IPL, LP and negotiable. There is a combination between any two of the acts. Generally, which combination comes is between IPA, LLP, negotiable, either or ICA or SOGA combination. In ICA also, I will give you one extra point, extra tip. In ICA, there is a priority order. What you do in ICA, do first the special contracts. After you do special contracts, there are some chapters like quasi and contingent contracts. Then special contracts, quasi and contingent contracts. Then capacity to party, capacity of party, then void agreements, these should be the order of your ICA. Then after you've done with your commercial law, this comes for 28 marks. 14 marks from this combination and 14 marks from this combination. This comes from 28 marks. Then your last you should go for company law. Do not make the mistake of focusing all your attention to company law, because students get lost in this, and company's law is too vast to admire and too much to cover, because and also there's no question coming from the rest of the company law. No question comes from company law. If there's even one question, generally question comes from two chapters, which is director and auditor, and after director and auditor the company's law questions comes from some chapters which I can give you, which are first 5 chapters of our book. I am referring to my book's first 5 chapters, and I will specify those chapters to you also, which are incorporation, MOA, AOA, Section 8 companies, conversion, extra doctrines. These chapters are more than enough if you want to do Companies Act. And after these chapters you have done, if you have done these also, you can go for share capital and register and returns. So this should be your studying priority order. First thing you should complete is labor law. If you are done with labor law, go for ethics. If you are done with ethics, go for director and auditor chapter. If you are done with director and auditor, go for commercial law, whichever act you like. And then in last, you go for company law, and these chapters you can make your priority. So this was an ABC analysis for you to pass with flying colors. And this AB analysis is definitely going to help you pass. If you haven't started studying yet, please start studying it and follow this AB analysis, and do tell me if this ABC analysis have helped you in any of your attempts. Thank you. See you all. Bye in the next video. Do join the WhatsApp group link which have been provided in the description box, and stay tuned. Keep following us. We are going to bring many English videos and many revision videos also in English. So stay tuned, and we are there for you. We are coming with so many surprises also. Thank you. See you all. Bye in the next video.